Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Samsul. I am a master student at Haulu Oleh University, majoring in public health. I will be presentation a journal about assessing the service quality at health service facilities during the COVID-19 pandemic in North Buton District, Indonesia. Coronavirus, a large family of viruses that cause disease, ranging from mild to severe symptoms. Coronavirus disease 2019 COVID-19 is a new type of disease that has never been identified before in humans. Puspitasari, Yusuf Sinaraya, Abdul, and Koyama, 2020, World Organization 2020. Exiting health service influences the degree of quality health. Quality health service are health service that can satisfy every consumer of user of service, whilst implementation is in accordance with professional standard and code of ethics. Anwar 22. One of the region in the South Health Sulawesi regional, the current focus on providing quality health service exempted to give satisfaction on the community is not Buton Regency. From the existing data, North Buton Regency has one hospital unit, a generation hospital, owned by the local government. The hospital has emergency service capability level 1. Methods: descriptive survey research was conducted in 2021. Descriptive survey research was employed to obtain information on the impact of COVID-19 on service quality in health service facility in the North Buton district in 2021. Sample: the study population is the entire North Buton community. The utilities health service in the public health center and general hospital in the North Buton district with 66,429 people. A total sample of 400 respondents was selected using accidental sampling. Data collection. Data were collected using validated questionnaire by respondents regarding the COVID-19 pandemic. Observation sheet, document from the public health center, and the health profile of North Buton Regency. Data analysis. Data were analysis used descriptive statistics and present in the form of regency, distribution table, and narrative. Ethical consideration. The ethical consideration for this study has been secured by the Faculty of Public Health, University of Mandala Waluya, Indonesia, Earth respondent has received appropriate information concern. The quality of service, tangible, reliability, responsive, assurance, and empathy were sufficient. A change in the quality of health service were more like related to change in service flow and operating hours. However, although the service quality were adequate, some respondents 8% to 12% complained about unavailability of hand sanitizer in the waiting room. Inadequate detailed information related to COVID-19, slow reaction process, lack of medical personnel, and less friendly healthcare work. For characteristic of respondent, relate of respondent characteristic including gender, age, education, occupation, and income. Discussion. Based on the upload of World COVID-19 development data is of April 4, 2021. The total confirmed cases are 131,000,009, with 2,850,521 deaths, and Indonesia occupies the 19th position. Positive for COVID-19 cases with a total of 1,537,967 cases. North Buton Regency has 37 positive cases, 29 recovered cases, and 7 deaths. Southeast Sulawesi Provinsi Health Service 2021. For tangible physical evidence, according to the quality of health service in the North Buton Regency during the COVID-19 pandemic, in accordance with respondent responses in terms of physical evidence, most respondents have a good participation of health service. Based on the result of the study on 7 question items contained in the tangible dimension, physical evidence, the average respondent expressed argument. Respondents mostly agreed to access the cleaning of the waiting room, the availability of hand washing and hand sanitizer in the waiting room, the existence of the distance meter in the examination of patients, the distance between sets, health worker who looked clean, and TD warning COVID-19 PPE, sterile equipment and information board regarding COVID-19. For reliability. Reliability is the ability of health service to carry out service in the according with what has been promised promptly. The importance of this dimension is the patient satisfaction will decline if the service provided are not as promised. So, this component or element of the reliability dimension is the provider ability to deliver health service appropriately and check affordability Akbar 2002. The result of the study showed that for the dimension reliability, respondents mostly stated that the agreement with the health service provided by health workers during the COVID-19 pandemic. Based on the result of the study on 7 question items contained in the dimension of reliability, the aggregate respondent expressed agreement and strongly agreed. Most respondents stated that service quality is sufficient for health worker reliability in providing health service. However, some respondents still note the health worker have not provided clearer and more detailed information about COVID-19. In addition, reliability issues still need to be improved again, related to the problem of health working, helping patients centrally overcome problem. The result showed that in the head happened to patients who recovered poor service and could not solve the problem because of the conflict process. This is in accordance with Ross stated in the quality of service that customer described as how big the gap between consumer responses or the reality of the service recovered compared to consumer expectation of the service received. For responsive. Responsive is the provider ability to be carried out directly with patient to provide service quickly and responsive. In addition, responsive can foster a positive perception of service quality. Fani Ahmad and Liaran 2019. The result of this study showed the respondents stated that it was enough with the service provided in terms of the dimension of responsiveness because based on the answer from respondent. The registration department service quickly. Health worker listened carefully to patient complete health working with responsive in helping patient. Welcome health worker provided opportunity for patient and family to ask questions. Health worker always ask patient compliment and health worker answer patient complaint. This demonstration that most respondents are satisfied with the quality of service provided by health worker responsiveness in delivering health service during the COVID-19 pandemic. Health workers have good responsive, are always ready to provide health service, offer assistance when recruited or not asked, immediately service when needy, and priority service to more emergency patients. For assurance, assurance is the knowledge and behavior of employees to building trust and confidence in patient in consuming the service offered. This dimension is particularly important because it involves public perception of the high risk of uncertainty about the capability of healthcare provider. The problem in the field is that some respondents complain that health facilities are not supervised by reliable medical stress personnel, which can cause patient confidence to recover and create a family atmosphere between health working and patient. For example, several hospitals lack doctors, so nurses or midwives carry out examination for diagnosis. Health workers must always work with a sense of responsibility, respect patient privacy, provide comfort, and reduce the risk of new disease. Therefore, in providing health service, not only the safety factor need to be considered but also the assurance factor, because health workers who are meticulous in providing health service will be able to create a sense of security and comfort for patients. Consolation. This study my service is input for health policymakers and hospital and public health center manager to improve health service quality. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.